Hey there, welcome back. So today we will explore more on compositions. Now in our previous video we have directly printed the value of Lappy and the object was printed with the help of toString method, which is cool. Now in this video we will proceed further and check out a couple of more interesting stuff, and the interesting stuff will be like how we can access object inside our object. So little interesting thing. So moving forward, first of all, let us navigate to this processor class and let us create some getter methods. So I will right click, navigate to source and generate getters and setters. And in here we will simply generate the getters. So this is cool. Let me click on OK, and now we have the getters. Now friends, imagine the situation that we would get some information from this processor object. Now when we create the object of laptop, let me show you the laptop class real quick. In here, a object is created which is cool. But inside this object, we also have object of processor and graphic card. As a result, we have a object inside a object. Now, in order to access a method from this processor class, we need to access object inside object, and the way is a little different. Let me show you. For example, in here, I type in Lappy dot, then here are the methods which are available to us. Now, we won't be able to access the processor object. So first of all, we need to create and getter method for this processor field. So let me show you how we can do that. So I will right click, navigate to source and create a getter for this processor field, and I will be generating only getter, right? So in here, let me add in only getter. How we can do that? Only getter. Alright, so this looks cool. Alright, so now we are having one method which will return object of processor type. So first target achieved. Let us call in this particular method get processor. So now this get processor method will directly return the object of processor. Now inside this processor object we have method. So in order to access that, we can make use of dot once again, and now we are able to see all of the method which are available inside the processor object. Now in here, for example, we would like to get the brand of the processor, then it could be easily achieved and we can print it and the output is Intel. So this is how we can access method from object of object. So this is cool. And let me also generate the getter method for laptop property as well, all of it in fact. So I will generate the getters and setters. Alright, so this looks cool. Alright, so now we are all set to add in some functionality into our composition, and the functionality would be booting up the laptop or setting up the gaming mode. So we will play around a little with composition. So this was a quick lecture of how accessing object inside a object, and in fact how we can access the method inside a object of object. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Take care.